YouTubies, this your girl Red coming to you with a video. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, leave a comment. So we're gonna just get started. I am gonna host a contest, and this is more of a planner, journal, whatever you want to call it, contest. I meant to do this a while back, but I thought I was going to have a lot more subscribers, so I'm just going to go ahead and do it. The rules of the contest: you must be subscribed to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and you must be over the age of 18. Let me see, leave a comment below. It could be any comment, only one comment per person. You can say anything you want. Anybody that leaves a comment will be entered. It could be hi, it could be thanks for doing the contest, have a good day. Any one of your comments will count, only one, okay? So again, leave a comment, be subscribed to my channel, and give me a thumbs up. And you may also share the video, spread the word. That's not a requirement, but it would help. So let's get started. Okay, I guess I'll start with, it don't matter what I start with first, I guess. But like I said, this is a planner video, and I know it's in like already in April, but you know. So one thing, you're going to get this big desk calendar. Big desk calendar is very pretty. Very, very pretty. I have one myself that I use. So you're going to get this big desk calendar. It may be folded. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find a box that wide to send everything, because also shipping costs and all that, but okay. And you're gonna get this. This is a girls just want to have funds, and that's pretty. And most of these items, some of them came from the dollar store, some from the Dollar General and Family Dollar. And this is like just a budget planning book. You can do all your finances, your budgeting, any of that stuff in here. So that's really neat. So you're gonna get that. You're also gonna get these. Now I'm not sending the binder with these, but these you can put them in a binder. They have the small planner binders, or you can even add them to a big binder. And there are no number dates or anything listed. So you can write in whatever you want on these. Anything you want, you can write on it. And they are different colors, and those are very cute. You're going to get that. You are going to get a jumbo, excuse me, word find pad. We'll get that. A lot of different stuff, different kinds in here. Yeah, you're gonna get that. You are going to get a calculator, because that will go along with the funds planner. You're gonna get a set of different colored Jot gel pens. I love these pens. I use these pens every day. I love them so much. So you're gonna get that. You are going to get a mini clipboard. These are adorable. I have one and I love it. You can switch out the paper on it. You're going to get that. Oh, here's the back of it. You will get that. You will get, I'm going to send 2 of these sheets of stickers. I had a set and I just took 2 out. They have different hope you can see because it's light. They have different stains on them and different things. They are really cute. You are going to get this beautiful springy flower zip bag. You can put some of your pencils and some of your stuff in here. I thought this was really cute. So you're going to get that. You are going to also get a magnetic notepad. This is a long magnetic notepad. Gonna get that. You're also going to get a small notepad. Just a regular, smaller notepad. And you are going to get this set of beautiful butterfly stickers. These are so cute. And it comes with nine stickers in here, 3D butterflies. Got these from Walmart. Those are so cute. You are going to get 2 glue sticks because I bought a huge pack. So you're going to get 2. And these are just clear glue sticks. You can use them to adhere pretty much any kind of paper stuff. So I use those a lot. You are going to also get this desk lamp. It does not come with batteries, but you will get it. And we'll open it and show you. And it's brand new, never used. So you're going to get this desk lamp. And I have one of those also myself. When I buy stuff, I buy doubles sometimes so I can do these or save some of them as gifts and stuff. So you will get this. And it's a LED desk lamp. And you'll get that. And you will also get some other stuff. I'm going to make you a pocket letter. And it's going to have a lot of goodies inside of it. If some of you don't know what a pocket letter is, I will show you. Let me see. I just did a video on pocket letters, the pocket letter before this, where I did friend mail. If you go back to some of my friend mails. And these are some that someone just sent me. So I will be making you one. I will be making you a different type of pocket letter. And a pocket letter is just like these things that you put baseball cards in. And you dress them up. You add things to them. You do a lot of different things to them. Here's another one that I got in friend mail. So, I will be making you a pocket letter, putting a bunch of goodies inside of it. And you will have a few more extra surprises in there. So I'm excited for this this giveaway. So let's go over it again. Be subscribed to my channel. Leave one comment, just one comment. Be 18 or over. Give me a thumbs up on this video. You can share the video. I think that's about it. I'm trying to get more subscribers after this one. When I do the next one, I don't know. I got so much different stuff. I don't know if I want to do the jewelry giveaway or the makeup giveaway or whatever. I don't know. Or beauty giveaway. I don't know yet. But before I do those, I do want to have, you know, at least advance up. I know I don't do videos as much as I used to, but I'm going to try to get back into doing them like I was. So, yeah. So, I hope everybody's excited for this giveaway because I am. Since it's been a while since I done one. So, I'm going to call this the Spring Planner Giveaway. That's what I'm going to call this, the spring planner giveaway. So yeah, so there is not much to do, not many rules, just a few. So hope everybody is excited for this. I think that's about it. So if you have any questions or anything, just leave a comment. And everything is in here except the pocket letter. And I will be doing that and adding that. And I did forget to say the contest will end when you see ended on the post. If it says ended, then it's over. I have no specific date of when I want to end it. So when you see ended, then it's over. Okay, it could be a week, it could be 2, it could be 3. But whenever you see ended on this post, then the contest is over. So like I said, you will get this brown box in the mail. It's a Victoria's Secret. No, it's a Bath and Body Works box. But you will get this in the mail. I will try to dress it up and make it a little prettier on the outside. And the pocket letter will be on top as well as some tissue paper. So when you see ended on these posts, the contest is over. Well, the giveaway is over. So thank you guys.